Welcome everyone to the intraday for the US stock. So we're gonna see the request, of course, from our members, and we're gonna start the first with the intraday, of course, for Nasdaq, where we are looking at the following correction, as we mentioned today, on the 1 hour chart, where we are looking at this wave five to unfold toward the upside after 1 2, the large 1 2 here, and a double 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Now, you can, of course, consider even like a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 a very long wave five. But yeah, as we mentioned before, like the extension here for a wave five, even past the 1.618, which is exactly over there. And that means, of course, we need to make a transition to double 1 2. We are looking for 3 4 and a 5 4 and a 5. Currently, this wave at 5 after a correction here has started to show some strengths. But of course, we gotta be careful within this, this choppiness here that we got. Mentioned that, of course, in the deep analysis, but basically a wave three is done. Currently, I'm looking at a wave four, but the wave four is very, very close for invalidation again. So we gotta be careful with that, because this invalidation of bullish might means, of course, something else. It can be, of course, something as a reversal. So we need to mark that, of course, for Nasdaq. In case this happen, it's a red flag. We might be in a deeper correction. Yeah, so meaning A, B, and a C here, and then pushing for higher again. The main invalidation, well, this is of course the invalidation of this wave five, but the major invalidation here for the whole impulse is at 28K 591, which is still, of course, not yet, of course, close even. So we're still in very, very bullish here. We're gonna keep it at 70%. No invalidation yet. Once we take the invalidation, we go back a little bit probabilities. So for SPX, also I'm looking as well for an invalidation, small invalidation here, meaning in case this is taken, that means of course this is not an impulse for a wave five. It is a corrective wave that it can be, of course, wave B and then wave C and then pushing toward the upside, a longer correction. And that means, of course, we're still above it. So everything is still fine here. We didn't took it yet. Probabilities are still the same for the bullish 70%, of course. And we're still looking for the green zone here as a target for a wave five and a wave three in the blue scenario, guys. For Dow Jones also is showing still, of course, some range here inside the red zone area. Everything is fine. Be careful from the zigzag deeper wave four that it is far from invalidation still because you have a large gap here. And then, of course, wave four can still push down before pushing for higher one more time again. So the bullish scenario at 65 to 35% here. That because, of course, of the threat of this impulse zigzag where we might get, of course, a deeper correction. Great. So this is regarding the intraday for the US indices. We have a lot today of a lot of requests, guys. All right. So we're gonna try to follow with them. Of course, we have Hung. Hello, Hung. All right. Let's see team. Okay, for team, there you go. Atlassian Corporation. Okay. Yeah, we did that before. All right. It looks like, yeah, it looks like an impulse. That's fine. The direction of the market is upward. However, this is a clear wave B there. Or a wave two can be as well 1 to 1 fib level. We were expecting this before. And then here we are. Signal of strength, 5 ways up, 3 ways down. You take the high. We confirm. We push toward the upside. Right. So we're looking here for at least the zigzag zone for a wave C, which is a 1 to 1 Fibonacci level at, of course, $1,562. So this is your next target there that it might be unfolding for team. That means here is a 1 2, and of course you're looking for something very high, 4 and a 5, and then after it, of course, 1 2, and then 3 4 and a 5 somehow to go higher. Yeah, so it's not gonna be, of course, one direction directly. So it's gonna be in that shape: 1 2, and then 3 4 and a 5. Right. So we'll see how this is see unfolding right now for it. 5 for a wave 1, then wave 2, then 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave C at 1 to 1 people level. Great. That was it for team. Devrim Oracle needs a low time frame, right? Let's see Oracle. So for Oracle, yeah, we're looking anyway for this red zone area. So I'm not surprised to see that. That's the normal Devrim. Everything is fine. Basically, on the 15-minute chart, we start to see a little bit, yeah, it's a signal of strength. So, yeah, it can start to push toward the upside. I would say things are done in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 signal of strength. You push for higher. So even if you didn't took the red zone 100%, I mean, it's a very tiny gap. Don't forget that this is a deep correction. You already passed here the perfect targets for wave 4. You passed it so much. Yeah, so it's definitely the time to push for higher here, right? For Oracle. So we are looking here for the green zone wave 5 at $900. So $900 for Oracle is the next target. Great. That was for Oracle. FDX for Alexandru. Yes, sure, we can do, buddy. FDX. So FedEx, right? FedEx. I think we did FedEx before. No, right? I think we never did that. Okay. For FedEx, we are looking here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 unfinished. So this is the main impulse unfolding there. Wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wave 3, 4, 5. Oh, something is not right here. A 1, 2, 5 diagonal, right? So this is your 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. No, everything is fine. But this is not your wave 3 there. That means, of course, we have this 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. This is your bracket. Okay. So, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, another 1, 2 for the wave 5. That's 1, 2. And then 3, 4, and a 5. And you're looking here for this currently. Where you're gonna finish wave 5, wave 3, 4, and a 5 higher. Right. Now, so you have finished a 1, 2 there. You're looking at the wave 3 of your wave 5, which is already a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 again. And meaning, of course, you're still here looking for higher definitely. And you're still internally in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 in the gray here to finish the wave 3, 4. A lot of impulses, right? So we're looking here the next target. If you want to have a precise target for the next move, wave 3 as an impulse, you're looking for the 1.618 here. $558 is your wave 3. And then you get a correction 4 and a 5. But basically, the trend is very upward and you're looking for something very high here, right? So, yeah, 558 from 319 is a very nice price. Okay, so Alexandru. Paul, how you doing? Hi, KG, could you please analyze? Hello. Hello, wie geht's es? All right, here we go. Okay. Um, wow. A lot of shopping. Okay, so this is the gap. Wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is ABC. Okay. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 leading diagonal wave 1, AB and a C wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but a very choppy one. Um, this character of chart is very. a heart attack one, up and downs the whole time. So 1, 2, this is your wave 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 2, and then okay, we're gonna put this in so 2. So we have a 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but we need to check something here. I doubt it. Yeah, I doubt it. So wave 5 is becoming longer than the wave 3. So we have another 1, 2, 3, 5, right? Another 1, 2, 3, 5. And anyways, it's 3, 4, and a 5, 3, 4, and 5. So yeah, this is what we are looking. This is your major wave 3 right now. And you're looking at also like several 1, 2s, but currently it unfolds wave 3 internally. Meaning your wave 3, this white one is looking for the 1.18 here, which is of course the 302. We're looking only for wave 3 in the white. That means of course 4 and a 5 continue upside. So still bullish of course, and for higher prices, right? All. Um, SPX. Oh, SpaceX. Okay, this one is out, guys. Okay, currently it's a failure. At the moment, it's a failure, right? Sorry, I already know that. MK4. Good morning. Good evening. WPM. I think we call this WPM. Okay. West. Western. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so double 1, 2. You're looking at the large wave 1, 5 here, and then you have another 1, 2, 5 bracket. So then you get here. Okay, okay, it's a double 1, 2. Right. So you have a 1, 2, and then wave 3 unfinished in the gray, and then all right, this away. It's a very large. So you are looking here. Sorry for this also 1, 2. So internally, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Even internally, you finish only the wave 3. Then you have another 1, 2 here again, 3, 4, and a 5, which is in the white here. Sorry, large right. Then finally, this 1, 2, 5, and okay, finish wave 3, wave 4, 5, 3. This is your impulse. Basically, we're looking here at this wave 2. That means, of course, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Of course, to finish yet, of course, this target currently that you're looking for as a wave 3 is very close, by the way. So be careful. It could be internally finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, you might still have one wave 5. So one more push here, then you push in the wave 5 again. So wave 3 is not that much far, right? Not that much far. 3, 4, and a 5 here, like that, right? Okay. So be careful. Wave 4, after one high, you might push down and then continuation later on. For wave 4 target as well, if you want to see wave 4 target, can be inside this red zone. You might retrace to the $116. Okay. That was for WPM. The next one we have CKI ASP isotope, right? You're welcome. What was the abbreviation? ASP. isotop, right? Okay, did that before. Not really recommended. Be careful, right? It's a corrective chart. Yeah, that's right. What we did before, and I'm gonna downgrade here. So you are in a corrective chart, not recommended so much. Now it's corrective, but toward the upside. But yeah, I mean, at the end, it's the three waves. And yeah, something. Yeah, I think I already tested this wave. Okay. I think anyway, it's a correction currently. Um, so I'm looking at least here for the 0.68. So here we are. You still need, of course, to go lower and to get reaction from there to push for higher, right? So it's unfinished structure for a correction. And of course, this wave C is going to take time, same as a wave A. So expect that, all right? Expect a longer correction and not so much. I prefer to invest in something much, no financial advice. Irene, right? Limited. Wow. All right. So what it dumped in, why it dumped it low here for wave 4, but still a wave 4. So yeah, I believe now it's time to go back for a wave 5. Nothing has changed. It was supposed to be a signal of strength here. I don't know what happened, but it's definitely A, B, and a C here finished. No invalidation yet taken. Therefore, wave 5 is still there. Also, I see a signal of strength again after the impulse. So yeah, nothing happened. It just liquidation. Stocks love to liquidate sometimes, so they are. But still the same scenario. Nothing has changed. You for the upside one more again. That was for Irene. For Tndm, go Tandem Diabetes Care. Okay, let's see how much people are taking care of themselves. Okay, look, not bad. People are taking care of themselves. Bad chart. Not recommended. A, B, in a potential wave C unfolding downward, or it can be even a running flat. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, failing to take the low. So W, X, and a Y, push higher. But what if you are in a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5? A, B, and a C. Therefore, not recommended. It's a corrective chart and downward, which is very, very all right. Patel. Okay, CDE per mining branch, right? Yeah, not recommended as well, right? Not recommended again. It's a very bearish chart. It's a 5 waves down, meaning trend is downward, meaning this stock is failing, guys. No need to go further. Not recommended. Um, sorry, right. Um, URNU, global uranium, RNU. Okay, it's not a very old one. Much. See? Not bad. Okay, not bad. It's a 1, 2, 3. You're looking at the wave 4. A 1, 2, wave 3, maybe 4, and a wave 5. Right? And we're looking here at invalidation. Nice. Careful. Invalidation of bullish after 1, 2. That week is uh, still possible. As in case of course, something scam here. But yeah, you're still looking for higher at the end, but be careful. Yeah, be careful from the expanding flat here, where you're still looking for one more low, right? So be careful. It is very likely that you might still be looking here for one more low as an extending pattern, which is around invalidation, right? So be careful from that in case, of course, it drops down, right? Maybe if you take invalidation or just take the uncommon target, then okay, you might push for bullish. But if it goes down again, and it takes the 1.618, which is validation, be careful from the back, right? Yeah, not pretty cool one, not that great stock, but yeah. So, Shafi, hello, buddy. Good morning. Please request Cdns. Cadence this did a lot of micro levels here. Okay, uh, then as impulse, but it unfolds as diagonal. Let's see why. Let's see why together. Let's go here. 1 2 1 2 5. Okay, yeah, that's why. You're finishing and ending diagonal. You're still looking for this target there. So 1 2 1 2 4 and a 5. That's true. It is a wave 3 finished over here. This is wave 4. 1 2 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. This is your wave 3. Wave 4 is still, of course, required. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 and a 5. Finish wave 3. Currently, you're looking for a wave 4 in this red zone, which is perfect target, would still require lower prices. So we're still looking for lower here, 4 and a 5. Okay. And this is your wave 3 as an green area, 661. But be careful, first you drop down before you push higher again. And the wave 2 is shallow, so expect shallow wave 4 in timing. Yep. So that's it for Shafi as NBIS. Right. So yeah, so this one is still looking for a correction, definitely. After finishing a clear impulse, plus you are potentially here, can be 1 2 1 2 as well, but even the wave 2 is required. Okay. And if you are in an A, you required wave B, which is the same case. Therefore, very bearish, still looking for the 9. No need to dive in the micro, of course, as it's very clear. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.